Did you know you can sharpen your image using this easy steps? So let's get right to it. So first what you need to do is duplicate the layer, and then to make it easy, let's rename it. Okay, so this color, let's call this blur, and this one it will be details. So first what you need to do is add Gaussian blur to it. So for that, just go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So the thing is that if I reduce the size, you can see it clearly, but what you need to do is increase it. So by Gaussian blur, let's make it 5 pixel only. You can give it like 6, but the blur effect will be too much, so let's reduce it to 5. Right? Okay, that's it. What you need to do next is go to image, apply image, and then click on detail, go to image, apply image, and then see the image is blur, right? Next, it will be from normal, you can go to add, and then make sure the scale is 2 and the opacity is 100. Make sure also you need to invert the image so that you'll see the outline of your picture or your image. Okay, that's it. Next what you need to do is change from normal to linear height. Nothing's happened, right? Let me zoom in. See, nothing happened. Okay, so what you need to do next is just click on blur and opacity, reduce the opacity. See the sharpen. As I reduce, see the difference. Let me reduce the sharpen. See, so let's give it to 65. Yeah, and that's it. See the sharpen of the image. Okay, let me zoom out. You'll see the difference. Turn off. That's the blur effect. Turn off the blur. Let's turn on the detail. See, and that's how you easily sharpen image using Photoshop.